Want your Mega files available across your computer, phone, and other devices. The key is keeping your devices connected to the same Mega account and using the right sync settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to set that up and avoid common sync mistakes. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using the same Mega account on every device you want connected. On your computer, sign in through the Mega Desktop application. On your phone or another device, install the official Mega app and sign in with the same account. On your computer, install the Mega Desktop application and complete the initial setup. Once you're signed in, the app can connect your local folders with your Mega cloud storage. This is where you'll choose what should actually sync. Next, open the sync settings and choose the local folder you want to connect with a folder in your Mega cloud. For example, you could sync a work project folder between your computer and Mega. Select the locations carefully before confirming. Once the sync is active, Mega will compare the selected locations and transfer changes as needed. If you add or update a supported file on one synced device, the changes can be reflected through your Mega storage and other connected devices. Yeah, larger files may take longer. On your phone or tablet, open the Mega app and sign in with the same account. Your cloud files should be available there without needing to sync the entire cloud drive to your mobile storage. You can browse, download, upload, and manage files from the app. If something doesn't appear as expected, check the sync status on your computer first. Make sure the correct folders are selected, the connection is working, and you have enough available storage. Also, avoid changing the same file on multiple devices at exactly the same time. So a little care can prevent conflicts, and that's how to keep Mega connected across your devices. Use the same account, configure desktop sync carefully, and access your cloud files through the Mega app on mobile. Once everything is set up, your files can stay available wherever you need them. Pretty convenient, right?